curry goat belly, carrot, Irish, scallion thyme, garlic, whole heap of sitting scotch bonnet. Right now I just want to eat the food. I'm not going to tell you no lie, the food bad. Start, so what you start?
You think that's gonna do it?
Goat meat. I want to kind of just come out of the freezer. So here I got to do. I have to boil them to clean them anyway. So I just have to cut them out of the bag and put them in some water and put them on the fire, make them boil till them thaw out. And when I'm done now, we just clean them and just get the curry and everything. Like a bad see. Alright, boil now we can.
You remember what kind of part them there? The goat meat. Remember what part?
I think this a kidney, tripe, mix up parts in this.
Goat meat.
I boil for about an hour,
Okay.
hour and a half.
Yeah.
Depends on how it looks and how we first check it up. And things make them they go and boil out. You know, when people don't normally season, so people just make it boil and then them clean it. But me, you know, I'm gonna drop some garlic in it. I love to drop garlic in everything.
Yeah.
I just saw me stay. I'm gonna drop a bit of ginger in it. I just saw me stay. If you don't notice people in every video, you notice them always work with ginger and the garlic.
Yeah, Mr.
Say
use garlic.
That's so. That's so I love my thing. Like ginger and garlic, that's something I love, you know.
Yeah, ginger as well.
I got dash out them water, I got dash out everything in it, I got dash out. So I got just drop them in there, so see them, so people, I got boil them off and I got dash out in there. So you just drop it just like that. You have onion and Irish in there, so when the curry bubble up and away, we just start seasoning it up again with the Irish, scallion, carrot.
Boil out.
Check them. Just need to just cook. Want it cooked, so one time I take it out and ready for cleaning and curry it. It don't take no whole heap of time for cook, you see what I'm saying? And that's why I really do this. See this? This is how I cook. See the knife go right through it. See? So the cardboard, my people. Reset the grill. Make it boil some more. It's the last water I put in there, people. So that boil down, no more. I come out and come clean and cut up and season up and curry. New York, upstate mainly.
Upstate.
Yeah, because I don't know in New York City if you go.
Yeah, city.
A concrete jungle.
Yeah, don't tell me nothing about New York City.
People, Scotch Bonnet, I gonna love this. Scotch Bonnet, I gonna love that, people. What?
Oh,
People, see that? Don't try that at all. So much I go on. I will take off this. And I go put two of the water. You don't know. Tender, people. Tender. See, now we can clean it. See, now we can clean it, people. See, now it's easy for when I curry it now. It's simple. See that? Put here, people. Simple. That me talk all the time. I don't want to do no way for cooking one time I season it up. See that? No whole heap of seasoning. No whole heap of cooking. Watch it, see that? No whole heap of cooking now. Now the easy part now, people. Now is the easy part. Watch it. If that never cook, think we could have do that? So who understand? This never cook, I couldn't do this another. Some people eat the part out, me don't like it. That's what I say. That's what I tell you, everybody cook it different. Me cook it, oh yeah, I'm going to take off the part there. But I know you like the part there though. Easy peel off. If I never do that, I could peel it off, you know? Peel off for her. This is the part that I'm saying. I'm sorry. The part that make you breathe up out of the girl. You see people, who don't know it? Who know me at all? Who know me at all?
because we never eat no farmer meat for 9 years, no chicken, no beef, no. I've never messed with beef anyways, but
Beef,
no
no,
goat,
you know I
nothing.
don't like beef.
Just ital, just straight ital. All the years there. And now this year, finish the cycle, you know? But you peel off all of that over there, what you gonna do with that?
I just let it, I don't eat it.
What is that? Oh!
You know which part these people, that's why I never open up part there.
What did I run outside? Oh!
That's why I'm feedback.
Oh!
It's like feedback, that's why.
So that we're not doing that though, right?
No,
We're not messing with that, okay.
just keep that there, just to keep it calm.
Some people eat that?
You ask me, yo. What? Best part of the goat.
Best part.
Which part?
The belly.
Really?
I'll show some of the cheese there for you. So I tell you something here, people don't really cut it up with the yard, you know. I know most people don't like me, you know, because I'm telling you why I'm not really still like me. Because when I cut it up with my finger, and then I forget so when I cut it up with my finger, and then I go rub on the face. Yeah,
Scotch bonnet.
In a small little pot to the feet. Just look at it, I'll go people, now will Leak out and lean up. Leak out and lean up, dad.
So go and bubble a little bit, you know?
Chunk me a big in the car. Whatever I burn that pot last. Yeah, man. Where's somebody? I have to put up the money down. Outdoor living. Adventurous chef. I think that's the one, breast, leg and side. This is also now, people. That is called the belly of the whale. You know that? No, the one that Jonah did, you know, people. You know where you go already. Go and cook down and look proud. Proud butter. Right now, I say we don't cook most, we cook it already, you know. It's tender already, you know. Well soft out, you know. Tender, never dare forget no touch, you know. Alright people, that go and simmer down. When that simmer down now, you know rice not take too much time, people, and that is it for now. People eat a wash, you know. But whenever you used to see a part there. Trying to show some million. You see me on the skillet in there already, guys. I gotta go cook with the rice. Right, to the, I got a stove now, people. This is called the stove. Alina, you know what that means, people? Butter. Go so now, cover that over. Rice ready, you know? Yeah, see it. Rice ready, people, watch it. Them have a good eat and done. One good eat and done. Don't know what it is. Don't know what people there. Show the rice. Perfect, dad. Steam, perfect. Yeah, man, one more day. I just have to wash it out. What's it out there? Yeah, rinse it with so much about. Yeah, that one the middle is.
Give it a box then. You want to set to the side?
It's good, man. It's not a job. It's not a job. So that's so much rice you cooking now.
I tell you that, you know. I go down looking at pot and I say, yo, Brad, man, so much rice.
The time you know people. That part of the night there, you know. The part of the night, the people. Sugar corn, look a bit of fire left. Sister.
Oh.
Yeah, but that's how it go, man. Make it dry now. See it there?
It's a great one actually. Goat belly, you know.
And that is it, people. Sugar. See belly there? Curry goat belly, carrot, Irish, scallion thyme, garlic. Whole heap of sitting scotch bonnet. People right now, I just want to eat the food. I'm not going to tell you no lie, the food bad. Bag of food. Pepper, right?
Yeah,
Amount of pepper.
yeah, I'm just what to say. That's what to say. The pepper, I like the flavor me I taste on the pepper. Like hot. Where they burn up, you know. Yeah, cause I think say I like it inside the belly as well.
No, man.
You got all the outer skin of the pan in there.
Boy, I tell you, when the food cook out the door, I feel like it tastes better. I don't even feel like it tastes better.
Actually, it tastes better, yeah.
Share and subscribe.
Yeah.
A goat series. A who kill a goat? Yeah, man, I wrote that the night, man.